Hello, children. Yesterday we had started with the basic introduction of conservation of plants and animals chapter. So, today let's start with the chapter. So, in the chapter, we saw in class 7 that Pehli and Bojo has visited the forest along with the professor Ahmad and Tibu. So, in the previous class of 7th, we have learnt about this chapter with the basic that Pehlu and Bujo has visited the forest along with the Professor Ahmad and Tibu. You can recall it once again. They were eager to share their experiences with their classmates. Other children in the classes were also eager to share their experience as some of them has visited the Badrapur Sanctuary and some other had heard about Kaziranga National Park. So Lucknow Wildlife Sanctuary also. Great Nicobar Biosphere Reserve and Tiger Reserves, etc. So all these things about in the class of 7th we have learned. So recalling with those things, we are going to continue with this chapter of conservation of plants and animals in detail with this today. So let's try to start with this chapter, that is deforestation and its causes. We already know that what do we mean by deforestation. In a very simplest manner, if we call deforestation means cutting off trees, we can call it as deforestation. So, a great variety of plants and animals exist on earth, isn't it? Tumbane varieties of plants and animals exist on earth. So, there won't be any single similar things. It will be, there are lots and lots of varieties. So there are essential for well-being and survival of mankind. In one or the other way, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ these survival of plants and animals, these are helpful for our mankind. ನಾವೇನು ಜನಗಳಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ this plants and animals gives help in one or the other way to the mankind. Today, a major threat to survival of these organisms is deforestation. Today, in this generation, we are we are seeing for the deforestation. So it has become a major threat. Okay, so we know that deforestation means clearing of forest and using that land for other purposes, isn't it? In a very simplest manner also we told that it's a cutting of trees. So we know that deforestation means clearing of forest ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋದು ಫಾರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅದರ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಫಾರ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್, ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಡಿಫಾರೆಸ್ಟೇಷನ್. Trees in the forest are cut for some of the purposes mentioned below. So it may be due to procuring land for cultivation or building houses and factories, making furniture or using wood as fuel. So it may be due to these three things. It not only may be for these three things. In the textbook they have given for three things. It is due to many reasons. Some natural causes of deforestation are forest fires and reserve droughts. So now let us in detail study about these things. So what do you mean by deforestation? So the definition of the deforestation can be in a standard manner. We can state it like this. Deforestation means it is defined as removal or falling of trees for lodging, agricultural or grazing operation. So this is the standard form of definition that deforestation is defined as. It is defined as removal or falling of trees for lodging, agricultural or grazing operations. So that refers to the definition of deforestation. ಡಿಫಾರೆಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನರ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಫಾರೆಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ it causes, isn't it? So what are the causes of deforestation are like this. So what will be the causes? Due to urban development. ಸಿಟಿನ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಡಿಫಾರೆಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮರನೆಲ್ಲ ಕಡಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಒಂದು ಊರು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಜಾಗನ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ. ಸೊ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ರ್ಯಾಪಿಡ್ ಅರ್ಬನ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಅರ್ಬನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಟಿ. ಸೊ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಅರ್ಬನ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್. Then clearance of agriculture to grow more food. So what due to deforestation is done due to clearance of agriculture due to more food. Then deforestation causes may also takes place for the fuel requirement for cooking, etc. It even causes for fuel requirement for cooking, etc. So fuel agi kuda require ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ for cooking purposes. Okay. Then timber exploitation for construction purposes. Timbers means ಮರದ ದಿಂಡುಗಳು. Okay. ಮರದ ದಿಂಡುಗಳು ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ we take it as timber exploitation for construction purposes. ಮನೆಗೆ ಗೋಡೆ ಬಾಕ್ಲು ಮಾಡಿಸೋದಾಗಲಿ or wooden works ಮಾಡಿಸೋದಾಗಲಿ for making windows, anything. So construction purpose also the causes of deforestation takes place. Then the last point we have written here, that is using land for setting up industries. So ದೊಡ್ಡ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಡಿಫಾರೆಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಡಿಫಾರೆಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕಾಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಅನ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಫಾರೆಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಡಿಫಾರೆಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ತುಂಬ ಜಾಗನ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ, ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್, ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟಿಂಬರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ, ಆ ಮರಗಳು ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳೋಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಿಯರೆನ್ಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಜಾಗ ಒಂದು ಫುಲ್ ನೀಟಾಗಿರೋ ಜಾಗ ಕಾಣಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಮರಗಳನ್ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ this is not good. This is one or the other way, it's very harmful for us. So we should never do these things. Okay, we need to plant the trees so that in one or the other way it will be helpful for mankind for the survival. Okay, so these are the causes of deforestation. So I hope you children got an idea with deforestation and its causes. So now moving on to the consequences of deforestation. So what will be the consequences of deforestation? So the consequences of deforestation will be reduces rainfall, then imbalance of atmospheric gases it will be, then loss of natural habitat, change in climate, decreases in water level. So these are the consequences of deforestation. ಏನು ಆಗಬಹುದು ಡಿಫಾರೆಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ? ಮಳೆ ನಿಂತೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ತುಂಬ ಮರಗಳು ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ರೈನ್ಫಾಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವೆನ್ ರೈನ್ಫಾಲ್ ಆದರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಗಿಡ ಬೆಳೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ವಿ ವೋಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ರೈನ್ಫಾಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ವಿ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್, ಇಸಂಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಸೊ ವಿತ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್, ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ cycle that trees we require. So when deforestation takes place, it reduces rainfall. This is one method. So imbalance of atmospheric pressure. What happens in the cycle? So we know this cycle, isn't it? That water rainfall ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, rainfall ಆದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಗಿಡ ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತೆ, ಗಿಡ ಬೆಳೆದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ನೆರಳು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. So we know this cycle, isn't it? So when it is getting cyclic, atmospheric gases ನೇಚರಲ್ಲೂ ನಮಗೂ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಂಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರಿಕ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಡಿಫಾರೆಸ್ಟೇಷನ್. ನೀಟಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಉಸಿರಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗೋದು, ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಗಾಳಿ ಸಿಗದೆ ಇರೋದು, ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಟೇಕನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ದೆನ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟೇಟ್. ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟೇಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೇನು ವಿತಿನ್ ದ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ದ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟೇಟ್, isn't it? That will be the major loss for us if the deforestation takes place. Then due to this, even the climatic changes also differ. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮರಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಾಗ the climatic changes will differ from one to another. Then at the last point we have that is decrease in water level. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಡಿಫಾರೆಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಮಳೆನೇ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಮಳೆನೇ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ನೀರೇ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ, ನೀರು ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಬರಗಾಲ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಲೀಡ್ ಟು ದ ಡ್ರಾಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸಿಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಫಾರೆಸ್ಟೇಷನ್. ಇನ್ ಟುಮಾರೋಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಇನ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ these consequences, these 5 consequences what we have here, we'll learn in detail, okay, which are little bit lengthier. So in order to make it in a one link, let's study with in tomorrow's class in detail. Okay, So when we study in detail, we'll get an very good note. I mean, you can get a very good attachments. ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಲಿಂಕ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so let's start with tomorrow's consequences of deforestation. So I want you children to write these consequences in classwork book. Okay, thank you so much. Write even this in classwork and deforestation also in classwork. These things in classwork. Okay, thank you.